my brother, that is not right. A woman can do better than a man. In everything, in the office, at home, everything they do, it is always just perfect. Give them a chance.
Hello, my people. Hello, Junubin. How are you doing? How is the going? How is the preparation of independence? I hope everybody's just excited as I am about the Independence Day that is coming over in the next 1 day or 2 days. In the next 2 days, South Sudan will be celebrating its 10th independence. So I just came here briefly to ask a simple question to the 53,000 people, 53 or plus people who are basically in this page. I need to ask you one question. You know, we have so many tribes in South Sudan, and these songs that just finished says Nusuhan Mohim. Simply, it means that women are very important. They are very important. Nusuhan Omon Mohimin Shedid can fi maktab wala fi bet. Now, there are always tribes in each country. There might be this tribe who treats women really so cool. You know, in each country, or in each country, each state, I think there's always one tribe. Like for instance, in Kenya, it's known to be the Luos. The Luos in Kenya treat women so sweet. They treat women like queens. They just treat them so softly and so sweetly. How about us in South Sudan? Which tribe cross your mind? I mean, which tribe do you think treat women so sweetly? I mean, which tribe exactly makes women feel like they are really married? They are really having so-called husband.
Should stand firm with women. Make sure a right of a woman should not be abused. A woman can do what a man can do better. Give women a chance. Men, you can live without women. Women are not your house girls, but your second mothers. They take care of you and your kids. Give them a chance.
We are able. Give us a chance, man. Give us a chance. Show us love, because some women are really suffering. They are tired of marriage. They are tired of their marriage or the marriage life that they live. So try to give them a chance. Try to show them some love. Try to treat them like the same man who once went to ask their hands in marriage. Try to treat them like this man who was really truly in love with them from the first day. Try your best to make her feel that indeed her husband love her, and that will hurt more years into her life. But if we treat them ridiculously, if we treat them like slaves, we treat them like house girls, then that will let them die in the earlier age. That won't let them really have a happy marriage that they deserve. Why not treat her the same way when you met her? Why? Was it so difficult? Will you marry all the women on this earth? Will you marry all the beautiful ladies? Because I believe when you just first met her, she was so beautiful. She was so sweet. And now you're seeing another lady so sweet. The sweet ladies, so sweet and beautiful. Those sweet and beautiful ladies, they will never finish. They will always come and come your way and come your way and come your way. All you need to do as a man is to control yourself and focus to your so-called wife or a woman or a girlfriend or your fiancé. Treat your wives well. Add some more years to their lives. Okay? That way, they can feel really like they are married. Credit. This song is amazing. It's very amazing. It talks about Nuswan Hoye, Mama Hoye. No matter what, they're always mothers and our mothers. And they will always be mothers to someone. So if she is a woman, she is definitely your mother or your wife because she's a woman. She is a woman. Treat them well. Treat them with respect. My question still goes to you, our sweet people, our sweet girls, our sweet ladies, our sweet men, our sweet boys, our gentlemen, our fathers, our grandpas. I don't know. Which tribe do you think treat women like queen? In Kenya, as I said before, it's known to be Jalurs. How about in South Sudan? Which tribe? Share with me your thought. Share with me your thought, and I will really appreciate. Thank you.